Hello guys, welcome to the vlog. So it's 8:15 and I'm already late to my first lecture. My lecture starts at 9 o'clock, but I have to take the bus at 8:30, but I don't think I'm gonna make it. However, there is another bus at 8:40 which would take me close to the university, but I still have to walk 10 more minutes, so I might take that one in order to make it to my 9 a.m. lecture. But we will just have to see how long I take, because I still have to do my makeup and like fix my hair and stuff like that. So we will just see. So I just finished my 2 lectures and I have already booked this study room in the library for me to just sort of go over the stuff that I learned in the lectures and also do some other work that is due like next week. So I'm just sort of getting myself ready to study again. But I am trying to take a little break, which is why I took out my lunchbox and my apple juice just to have a little sip and eat something before I start like really heavy with that. So yeah. So I just arrived in another study room that I booked for 2 hours or 3 hours, I can't remember now, and I'm just doing some other lectures that are online for today, and they are antibiotics, mechanisms of actions. So I'm just sort of going through the lectures and making notes on Notion and just sort of trying to do all my lectures and just wrap it up really because it's dragging on. But yeah, in the afternoon I have Spanish, which I'm really excited for. So I just booked a study room that is very close to that building where I'm going to have my Spanish. So yeah. It's 1:40 p.m. right now and my Spanish lesson starts at 3, so I just sort of moved to the building where I'm going to have my Spanish, and I'm just sitting outside in the lounge area just finishing up any work so I can sort of kill time before Spanish starts. So that's basically what I'm doing right now. I'm very excited for Spanish. I am a beginner, I just started learning it, so I think it's very interesting and very fun to me. And I never learned like another language except English. So yeah. Hey guys, so it's around like 2 o'clock now and I'm waiting for my Spanish lesson to start. It starts in 1 hour, so 3 o'clock. I'm currently in the room where we're gonna have our Spanish lessons because there's no one here. So I just thought, why not just sit in here, and if there is something or someone booking this room for 2 o'clock, they can just like kick me out. Okay, so that's about it.
You in the backyard of your old farm in the summer. Stayed there for 3 weeks where we learned to love each other. Wrote you letters, sent a message to the goddamn. Skip to the present, haven't been so happy ever.
So check this out. We have our plan, nosotros hablamos.